Okay, I'm going to try and make a short tutorial on how to use iMovie for very basic video editing. I've never done this before, so I've had to set the video camera up sort of side on to me, and it'll be awkward for me to type, so you'll have to forgive any clumsiness. Okay, so first thing you need to do is find iMovie, either in your dock if it's there, or in applications. To find it in applications, from the finder, go and applications. That will open your applications folder. So once you've got iMovie opened, get back to it. If you get a screen that looks like this, or anything other than this, which says projects at the top, it might look like this. So click on projects. Then the plus, which means add a new one, add a new movie. Now you can choose any one of these themes. Personally, I'm not into themes, so I always click no themes and give it a name, test 2. Okay. Now you'll find another screen in front of you. So what you need to do now is import the videos from wherever. Now I've put a couple on my desktop, so you'll find a hierarchy here. So wherever you've put the videos, open them. So I've just made 2 short videos here. Okay, import selected. So there they are. So now I've got them into iMovie. Now I need to make a movie of them and crop them or whatever needs to be done. So first of all, I'm just going to have a quick whiz through. So I'm going to come over here, or you can click on play here. I'm just going to have a quick whiz through and have a look at them. Yes, I could probably use the first part of that, and then in this one, that's all looking pretty good. Probably don't need all that bit with the chairs, and then I might put that little bit in at the end. So you can just have a quick look through fast as you like, or you can play them in real time. If you want to play them in real time, click on it and then click over here. Okay, so we've got them in here. We've had a quick look and we've thought, yes, we can do a bit of cropping here. So to do the cropping, if you notice near the cursor, there's a little yellow rectangle. Let's see if I can zoom in. You see the yellow rectangle? Okay, I'll leave it zoomed in. Sorry, it's very awkward. Okay, so there we are. I've got my little rectangle, so I'm going to click and hold and drag, looking over here, this at the big picture, which you can't see now, but I'm looking at the big picture to see when I get everything I want. And then I'll let go. I'll zoom back out. So I was watching the big, oh, still not there, sorry. There it is. Okay, I was watching the big picture as I held and moved the yellow rectangle. Now there's a plus in the corner. That means I'm going to add the selection to the movie. Can you see that? Don't know that it's focusing very well, is it? Anyway, add selection to the movie. I'll come back out. So that clip has now been added down here. Only the bits that I wanted. Okay, so you can look at it again, and it's just what I put in this square up here, in the yellow rectangle. So that's what I've got down here. Now I can do the same with the other clip. Let's see, do I want to keep these first bits? Yes, that's pretty cute. So again, with the yellow rectangle, click, drag until they go behind the chair. That'll do for that. Add. It gets added there. And then let's have a look. I might get a couple of these little bits at the end. So again with the yellow rectangle, I click and drag, that'll do, and add that to my movie. So now I've got my movie down here, only the bits that I wanted. I can have another look at it now if I want to. Okay, you need to click on it, and the easiest thing to do is Command All, and that selects all of the movie down the bottom. So here's the whole movie's all been selected. Now I can play it if I want to. So put the thing at the start and click play. Okay, so you can watch the whole thing all the way through. Okay, that can go away. Now, let's say you want to add a title. Come up here where it says titles. You see that? Is that on the screen? Up here where it says titles. Bit of a novice at this. Where it says titles. And you've got a number of sorts to choose from. I'm just going to go for something quite simple, and you choose which sort of text title you want. It shows you examples over on the right hand side. So I'm just going to get this pretty standard thing and click on it and drag it down and put it in front of the movie. You could drag it and put it in the middle of the movie or on one of the screens, but I'm going to put it at the beginning of the movie. Okay, and you type in the screen up here on the right, and it's Tia and Maisie. So I typed Tia and Maisie up in that window, and here it is now in front of the movie. Now we don't need that much time to show the title. We don't need 4 seconds. So you drag it so that there's just enough to show the title. So you can have a look at it. Let's start at the beginning. Oops, sorry. There we are. Start at the beginning and just move this along, and there's Tia and Maisie, and there's the video like we wanted. So I'm happy with that. Now you can do other things. You can do all these things up here if you want. If you hover over the things, it'll say underneath what they do: colour correction, cropping, stabilisation, volume, noise reduction. Now speed. Let's say you'd like to make some of this in slow-mo. So you select what you want to make in slow-mo. Here's down, you're looking down at the bottom again. So here's our yellow rectangle. So I'm going to select, say, 2 seconds here, where it's enclosed by the yellow rectangle. Now I can click on speed. Do I want it normal speed? No, I want it slow. Do I want it 10%, 25, 50, or whatever? So let's leave it at 50. Okay. And then let's just have a look at that then. Okay, and then it speeds up back to normal when it gets past the slow bit. I'll just show you again. Oh, we want this to come back here. Come on, back here. Right, so here we go. This is what we've got so far. Then we've got a bit of slow motion, and then back to normal motion. Okay, so here's the slow motion. It's got a picture of a turtle. If you decide you don't want that bit in slow motion, can you see the selected bit that's got a picture of a turtle in it? Oops, no, it's gone. It's not very professional. Okay. So there's a bit with a white outline, and it's got a little picture of a turtle in the middle. There's the picture of the turtle. So if you don't want that, go back up to the top and either click reset, or from the menu select normal. Alright, so let's say that's all we wanted to do. We've got a title, we didn't want any slow motion, we've got all the clips we need, we've cut out the bits we don't want, now we want to send it somewhere. So again, click anywhere and then do Command All. Now they're all selected in yellow. Now click Share and choose where you want to share it to. Oops, not showing. There we are. Choose where you want to share it to. YouTube. Okay, let's do that. So this is test video 2. Standard definition looks horrible, so let's just do high definition, but not super high. And you can fill in any of the other things that you like. Next. Yes, I have the right to publish it. And up here, you'll see the progress of it being uploaded. Okay, let's see how that turned out. I realised when I watched a clip I'd made that the whole screen wasn't showing in the last few little instructions. So in order to share the video, the video that you've made, you need to select all the bits in this bottom section here, never mind what's up here. And to do that, as I said earlier, click anywhere, and it's surrounded now by yellow, and then, oops, Command A to make sure they're all selected. Okay, so whatever's surrounded in yellow will now be uploaded. So you want to make sure that the title is surrounded in yellow, as well as all the clips. So just make sure that you've got them all, and then you go up to the top. Oh, there we go. Top right-hand corner, and there's a symbol there which means share. So that's what you click on, and then you get the choice of things to select. Okay, let me know if you've got any questions.